In the race for air dominance, what compels the U.S. to transition from the legendary F-22 Raptor to the state-of-the-art Boeing F-47? The answer lies in a rapidly evolving threat from the East, China. For decades, the F-22 Raptor has been the cornerstone of American air superiority. But the strategic landscape has shifted. China's relentless pace of technological advancement, particularly in the realm of stealth technology, hypersonic weapons, and advanced radar systems, has forced the U.S. to reassess its position. The F-22 was groundbreaking when it debuted, offering unmatched stealth, agility, and speed. However, with China rapidly catching up, the U.S. Air Force recognizes that to stay ahead, it must evolve. This need for evolution has led to the development of the F-47, a sixth-generation fighter that is not only faster and more capable than the F-22, but also specifically designed to counter the emerging threats posed by China. The future of air combat demands a new type of aircraft. The shift from the F-22 to the F-47 isn't just about improving an already outstanding aircraft. It's about addressing a critical challenge that's emerged on the global stage: China's accelerating military expansion. The F-22 was crafted to be the ultimate air superiority fighter, excelling in speed, agility, and stealth. With a top speed of Mach 2 and a combat radius of 590 nautical miles, it was built for long-range intercepts and high-speed maneuvers. But China's military is rapidly advancing. The country has introduced stealth aircraft like the J-20, capable of engaging in high-speed, high-altitude combat. Moreover, China's modernized radar systems are becoming increasingly capable of detecting even the best stealth technology. This is where the F-47 outshines the F-22. With its top speed of Mach 2+ and a combat radius that exceeds 1,000 nautical miles, the F-47 offers a substantial edge in range and endurance. It is capable of striking deeper into hostile territory, well beyond the ... When it comes to stealth, both the F-22 and F-47 excel, but the F-47 takes it to an entirely new level. Designed specifically to counter the advanced radar and anti-air systems that China continues to develop. The F-22 was revolutionary in its ability to avoid enemy radar. But as China rapidly improves its radar detection and electronic warfare capabilities, the F-22's stealth, though still effective, is becoming increasingly vulnerable. The F-47, however, integrates next-generation stealth technologies that make it virtually undetectable to even China's most advanced systems. With sensor fusion, the F-47 combines data from multiple sources, radar, infrared, and visual, to create a comprehensive awareness of the battlefield, giving it a distinct advantage over adversaries like China. These advancements allow the F-47 to navigate contested environments such as the South China Sea with ease. The fusion of sensors provides the pilot with real-time information, ensuring that F-47 can strike. A standout feature of the F-47 is its ability to operate in conjunction with collaborative combat aircraft, CCAs, unmanned systems that are crucial for modern combat. In the face of China's rapidly advancing air defenses and growing arsenal of anti-air missiles, the F-47 leverages its unique ability to coordinate seamlessly with unmanned aircraft. These unmanned systems, or CCAs, can perform high-risk missions like electronic warfare and precision strikes, allowing the F-47 to stay out of harm's way while the drones carry out the most dangerous tasks. The F-47's manned-unmanned teaming technology provides an overwhelming advantage against China's rapidly expanding drone fleet and anti-access area denial A2AD systems. With these drones performing vital functions, the F-47 can focus on its primary role, dominating the skies while ensuring mission success in the most hostile environments. The F-22 has served as the crown jewel of the U.S. Air Force for nearly 2 decades. Its unmatched stealth, speed, and agility made it the go-to fighter for many air superiority missions. Yet the rise of China has highlighted the limitations of the F-22, especially in an era where advanced technologies are becoming more widespread. The F-22's legacy is undeniable. It's intercepted countless threats, showcasing its air superiority capabilities. But China's technological advancements, especially in radar, stealth detection, and hypersonic missiles, make it clear that the F-22 cannot remain dominant forever. The need for a more capable fighter to face emerging threats has led to the development of the F-47. The F-47 is the next step in the evolution of air combat, designed to outpace and outmaneuver China's growing military power. It combines the lessons learned from the F-22 while integrating the most cutting-edge technology to ensure air superiority for decades to come.
Never been used before. One of its standout features is the APG-77 radar, which can track multiple targets simultaneously, even in adverse weather conditions, and detect enemies up to 150 miles away. With over 30 antennas surrounding the jet, it can detect threats more than 250 miles away and help the pilot respond quickly, using tools like flares and chaff. It also features sensors to detect incoming missiles and track heat from a distance without revealing its position. At the core of the jet are two powerful computers that process over 10 billion instructions every second. They manage everything from radar to mission systems. This system can spot threats and share information like a flying command center, similar to the larger RC-135. When it comes to armament, the F-22 is equipped with 3 internal weapons bays, a large central bay under the fuselage, and 2 smaller side bays near the engine inlets. A small bay located behind each side bay is used for countermeasures, such as flares. The central bay can hold 6 LAU-142/A launchers for beyond visual range missiles, while each side bay holds an LAU-141/A launcher for short-range missiles. Though designed for air-to-air combat, the F-22 primary weapons bay can also be reconfigured to carry bombs. The 4 missile launchers can be swapped out for 2 bomb racks, each capable of holding 1 1,000-pound bomb or 4 250-pound bombs, allowing it to carry up to 2,000 pounds of air-to-surface ordnance. While the F-22 typically carries weapons internally to preserve its stealth profile, it is also equipped with 4 hardpoints on its wings, each capable of handling 5,000 pounds. These hardpoints can be fitted with pylons to carry a 600-gallon external fuel tank or a launcher for 2 air-to-air missiles. Despite the F-22's incredible capabilities, China managed to obtain state secrets about the jet and quickly set to work on developing a replica. China's new J-31, the first 5th-generation stealth fighter in its fleet, has been photographed conducting test flights. This jet is intended to be the People's Liberation Army Air Force's response to both the F-22 and the F-35. However, what Beijing didn't foresee was how the U.S. Air Force's next-generation NGAD program would surpass these older designs. As China strives to make its first 5th-generation fighter a reality, the next-generation air dominance program is creating shockwaves, especially with its groundbreaking network capabilities. Unlike traditional fighters, which operate as standalone aircraft, the NGAD is envisioned as a connected family of systems consisting of the main fighter jet and a series of unmanned aerial vehicles that can be controlled by the pilot with the push of a button. Each NGAD fighter will be accompanied by at least 2 collaborative combat aircraft, also known as CCA, for missions like counter-air operations, air-to-air strikes, and attacks on ground-based targets. These CCAs are pushing the boundaries of technology, with development starting in 2024 and the U.S. investing up to $6 billion into the project from 2024 to 2028. The CCAs will be unmanned, featuring a degree of autonomy powered by AI-driven software. Before taking flight alongside the NGAD, each CCA will be programmed with its mission objective. This AI will also allow the CCA to communicate with its paired NGAD fighter, creating a seamless connection between the two. This advanced system is designed to give the NGAD pilot unmatched situational awareness, improved survivability, and a broad array of attack options. CCAs will be able to carry weapons, engage enemy aircraft, and participate in air-to-ground strikes. They'll also be capable of gathering intelligence and offering surveillance over a wider area than a single fighter could cover on its own. With an impressive range of sensors, CCAs will alert the NGAD pilot to incoming threats, providing early warnings and enhancing missile evasion capabilities. In addition, CCAs may be equipped with electronic warfare tools like radar jammers, which will give the NGAD an even greater edge against adversaries. Together, the NGAD and its CCAs form a unified network of aerial assets operating as a single platform.
With the F-47, the U.S. is staying ahead of China, ensuring that air superiority remains firmly in American hands for decades to come. As China's military continues to modernize, the F-47 will be the key to maintaining U.S. dominance in the skies. The F-47 doesn't just meet the challenges posed by China, it anticipates them, ensuring that the U.S. remains one step ahead every time. From the unmatched legacy of the F-22 to the advanced capabilities of the F-47, these aircraft represent the pinnacle of U.S. aviation. But as China continues to rise as a global superpower, it's clear that the future of air superiority lies with the F-47. What do you think? Is the F-47 the future of U.S. air combat? Or does the F-22 still have what it takes to maintain dominance? And with rising threats, particularly from China, which fighter would you trust to defend the skies? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.